Rev up your engines! I have a big announcement to make. I've been slaving away making videos on YouTube every day since 2007. Okay, so that means we're talking about 18 years of continuous YouTube videos. That's over 7,000 of these videos I got up on YouTube now. And over 3 billion views on YouTube. That's a lot of views, right? That's a lot of people. And why do people watch me? Because I tell them the truth about cars. And I've been a mechanic for 57 years. Hey, I like sharing stuff out. But I'm going to share something with you now. After all these years, I'm taking a break. You can see I got our folding bikes ready, mine and my wife's, to do a little traveling and biking. Because 18 years without a long break, hey, I'm not going to stop, but I'm taking a break here. Now, this isn't even close to an all-time record. Mailman, Niagara Falls, that we had on Cuba Island, he went 40-something years without ever even taking a vacation. Now, you can still ask me questions. I'm still going to be doing live car talks. I'm just not going to be making a video every day. I used to make 3 videos a day years ago, but time has caught up with me. Maybe not, I don't know. I'm kind of worried because my grandfather, when he stopped fixing cars, he was dead in a year. So, and you can keep watching my videos on the Scotty Kilmer channel on YouTube. Hey, there's 7,000 of them, enough to keep you busy for quite some time. And I'll continue testing things out. Here's an example of a really cool electric bike that I'm testing out, and it's blown me away because of what it does and what it costs. Now, this bike is a Q-Nut bike. On Amazon, this thing is less than 600 bucks. Comfortable motorcycle seat, 7 gears. As you can see with its cute little key and switch. Got a really nice readout here. You can see how much battery charge is left. It's fully charged. And it's got 3 different speeds. It starts out at 2. I like it at 3. 3 is a little bit faster. Voltage meter to show you the voltage that it has. Cute little horn. Nice bright headlight. Brake light. You got turn signal. Look. It's an adjustable rear monoshock. It has decent front shocks on it. Nice big knobby tires. Disc brakes front and back for less than 600 bucks. Now, you think you really get what you pay for with this bike. As far as I'm concerned, it's a great deal for that kind of money. In terms of actual performance, hey, I'm nuts about this Rav GTX. It's got 2 batteries. Notice it doesn't have only 1 sprocket. It's not even really for bicycling, right? I mean, hey, it is for going electric. It goes 40-something miles an hour. It's a screamer. Got hydraulic disc brakes, adjustable front suspension, adjustable rear air suspension. I added these motorcycle foot pegs because it's more like a motorcycle butt. And this is a gigantic butt for most people. That baby's 2,900 bucks, 3 grand. This baby's less than $600. Now, that's a deal. It's disc brakes, as you can see. They're cable operated. They're not hydraulic. But I mean, hey, they stop good enough. And as you can see when I pick it up, it goes 28 miles an hour. And really, for most people, that's plenty fast enough. Plus, it is a real bicycle, too. Run out of electricity. There it is, 7 speeds. Only has 1, you know, you're gonna be pedaling uphill with this thing. The motor goes out, hey, you're probably gonna be getting up and pushing it. And let's face the facts, electric bicycles are mainly toys for people. So, what would you rather buy? A less than $600 toy or a $3,000 toy? Hey, it's up to you. I'm just saying, for less than 600 bucks, that thing is a deal. I am having so much fun with it. After all, $3,000 for this, it's the same that I paid for this. My 1,300 used Yamaha. But let's face the facts, you're not going to be pedaling either one of them. Here's something I was really excited about when it came. My new Simpson power washer. Now, numero uno, I bought it with the Honda GX engine. It's a 200cc engine. I've got the same basic setup in Tennessee. This is in Rhode Island, obviously. And I've had it for years, not a lick of problems. It has the 190cc Honda engine, didn't have a lick of problems with it. So I bought this new on Amazon and I thought, oh great, it came, I'm all excited. So I rinsed all the crap off the garage door from the winter of me not being here. And I noticed there was oil all over the place. Remnants of it here on my driveway, over here, over here, over here. It kind of peed me off. So I looked at it and I noticed the pump was leaking all over the unit. Sometimes I'm not patient, I'm impatient, so I just went to Amazon and I just bought a universal pump for less than $100, bolted it on. It works fine, it doesn't leak. But I was kind of peeved that I paid $600 and got a leaky pump. So I complained. Of course, I had to jump through 1,000 hoops. But finally, they sent me a new pump. But I noticed one thing. You see how the pump bolts on, right? And all you see is the top, which says, hey, right? Because it bolts on right here. You can't see under this pump. On the bottom side, which you can't see when it's bolted to the assembly, is a little thing that says, you guessed it, made in China. Okay, to me, what a sleazy deal. You see this? Hey, all embossed on the case. Oh, hey. And then a little thing, another sticker, hey, blah, blah, blah. Turn it over the part you can't see, made in China. That's a raw deal. There must be some kind of law that it's got to say made in China somewhere, right? I'm surprised it wasn't inside the machine. I had to take it off of the stand in order to read it. I'm surprised they didn't have it on the inside. We have to take the pump apart and it says made in China on the inside. But sneaky raw deal. Try to make it look like it's an American-made thing. You look up the company, they say Indiana, blah, 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 blah. No, made in China. But I have to say, I love the unit. The Honda engine, phenomenal, started up first crank, runs nice and quiet, right? And this less than $100 pumps work perfectly fine. It doesn't leak so far. Mind you, it's another Chinese-made one. I'll see how long it lasts, but hey, to the point that I bought a pump and it leaked right away. And the main thing this is again, a pressure washer. So the pressure washing pump that takes the water and pressurizes it and squirts it out is sort of the most important part. I do have the replacement pump they gave me that I haven't used yet, so at least I got a spare, and I noticed it's not leaking. The other one, the seal was leaking all over the place, and I should have questioned it in the first place, because when I got that box from Simpson's, the bottom of the box, when I sliced it open with my box cutter, was coated in oil. So I knew, hey, a Honda motor's not going to leak. Probably the pump, and sure enough, it was the pump. The one they sent is dry. It's not wet yet. So hopefully that'll last longer. But if you're going to buy one of these things, numero uno, definitely get the Honda engine. There's nothing wrong with this Honda engine. It's phenomenal. Do not get the one, I don't know what they call it, GSX or something. It, guess what, is a Chinese-made motor. Not the Honda. You cannot beat the Honda motor. Honda makes the best motors in the world. Cars, SUVs, diesel motors, they make great motors. And the one I got in Tennessee has never had any problems, and this one doesn't have any problems. It was the pump, which Honda does not make. And Simpson, who sells them, they don't make them either. They buy them from another company who gets them from a factory in China. And then they hide the made in China label so you can't see it. So, hey, I'm happy with it except for the pump. Maybe if you don't care, buy it. And if it doesn't leak, see how long it lasts. And if it does, do like I did, buy another pump for it, because I want to keep these things for years. Never, ever throw away a Honda pressure washer. As long as the engine runs, just unbolt it, 4 bolts, bolt another pump on. You can go on Amazon. They got $70 ones. That's what I got bolted onto it now, and it's working fine so far. And if it breaks, I'll try the one they gave me. Now I'm going to continue to test out all kinds of scan tools for everyone. The latest ones I'm testing out: Power Probe Draw Monitor, King Bolin Scanner, iCar Soft Scanners, Big King Bolin Scanner, more iCar soft ones. This one is just for Japanese cars. Innova, even OBD1, King Bolin little ones, an X tool, and a Mew car. Various price ranges for various scanners, anything from an amateur to an absolute pro. And I'll continue to show how you can fix your own car and get information like this Mech AI website that I highlighted. That's free if you don't mind watching advertisements. You just put in the car you want, and then when you're done, you have your own garage. You can save all your own cars, ask it questions, wiring diagrams, TSP, all that stuff for nothing if you don't mind watching ads. Because cars are always changing, technology's always changing. Scan tools that used to cost $15,000, you can get $300, $400 ones that do that kind of stuff today. Everything changes. And yeah, I'm gonna take a little break because I need a little change here. Hey, 18 years in a row, I get putting them out every day. So it's time for me to put on my traveling shoes. Happen to be the same shoes I wear all the time, drives my wife nuts. These Bates boots are just phenomenal. They can go through anything, ice, snow, whatever. These need a little polishing. And I'll say, be seeing you in a little while. So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell.